Hello, we are back with another video. Today we're going to be playing something I like to call Bleach New Hope. Well, actually, that's literally what it's called. Oh, almost like I flew at the wall. For some reason, I can't flash step. Can y'all please comment below how to flash step? I really do need to know. My sister is talking inside of her sleep. Ignore that. Yeah, I think she just does that naturally. Oh no, never mind. She talked to our dog. I'm trying to make him go to sleep. And that dog crying. Man, you stop forcing that dog to do stuff you don't want to. Oh, now my dog trying to eat her food. That's funny. He talking about, dog, you slow. Stop. Don't do that. I'm like, are you trying to force him to go to sleep? Who, me? If the dog mouth done been on it, I don't really want it, but yeah, I think you keep that bitch. Okay, and top on some action. I'm about to pause the video for now. Wow, that was a bad notification. After hours of searching, I have finally found Soul Reapers. Dang, that was a really long time. No, you better not kill me, bro. I'm supposed to be the one killing you. Okay? Okay, Soul Reaper? Because I had a real hard time finding you. I do not want to lose this chance. Oh, not it. Oh, snap. I accidentally tracked it too. Click, 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 click. Click as fast as you can. Fast as you can. Fast as you can. Okay, I'm clicking as fast as I can. Ah! Ah! I died. It was all your fault. Okay, I'm just kidding. It was my fault. Well, if you're new, please subscribe to the channel. I forgot to mention that. Let me see something. Okay. Well, usually I'm not really this excited, but it's been a little while since I made a video. I think this is actually my second video on the channel. Because my first video didn't really make... Oh, snap. I'm getting chased already. I will never bow to you, Soul Reaper. Die. Die, Soul Reaper. Ah, I died. What a cruel world. Let me see something. I want to Getsu so bad. Look, it sounds so cool. I've actually watched some of the series. They were pretty good actually. I have to admit. I get this to about 45. Why can't I click it? It's glitching. Yeah, I might go and plug up my computer real quick because I think it's going slow. I don't really want it to go dead while we recording, do I? I'm trying to figure out what should I upgrade next. I just been doing really some defense, so I like trying to get up my stuff. I might not bring some Agario to this channel. Y'all know Agario is a very fun thing. Trust me, you know what I'm saying? The Agario. Yeah, I think my computer should be charging now. Let me check. Yeah, it's charging. No go. Whee! I think I might. Yeah, I'm gonna have to just upgrade my speed to about 100. By the time I get level 100, my speed should be upgraded. Oh snap! Please don't. I do not have the time. Okay, person. Why do you gotta always kill me? I keep getting killed by that same person. You don't even gain none when you kill anybody. What's the point? What do you gain when you kill somebody? I don't know. You don't gain any points, do you? Cause I've killed like at least like 3 people and I've gained nothing. No! He's despawned. Bro, he's such a high level. Why in the world is he on this? I don't even get some people. He just kill you for fun. And they don't gain him anything. Like, what's the point of killing? I swear, when I'm high level, I'm gonna kill them. Show them how they show them how it feels. Or I'll probably just help out some people who can't kill. Oh, I ain't even see you. Hey, sir. How you doing? Hey, Mr. Soul Reaper. Oh, snap. 2 Soul Reapers? I can barely handle one. Dang, that was fun. So very fun. I need more Soul Reapers. Well, not more. I need, like, at least, like, 1 on me. Not, like, 2 like they be. I'm trying to get this up to about 2. I'm trying to get my speed, my defense up to about 200. Right now, I'm not really worried about attack. I might end up going to like Earth Realm and try to see what it was like a little giant thing, and it was actually very fun to play against that, cause it was very, 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 very strong. Ooh, the walls. I remember it was a big fat man who had to lifting up a big old door right there. He wasn't really fat. He was just very muscular and giant size. Okay, let's get this bad baby started. Are these Soul Reapers? Oh, they're not. But he is. Hey, Soul Reaper. You wanna die? Wanna die? You're dying today, Soul Reaper. Cause I'm fine. Yeah, Soul Reaper. You wanna die? You're dying today. Today's your death date. Woo! Yeah, I'm getting all them hits in, boy. What you think you can do for me? You could die. I know that. Yeah. Bro, one roll was the point of hitting me. Please don't. Please stop. One roll is the point of trying to kill people. Jeez, people. Please stop trying to kill me. Please stop. That junk getting so annoying. Woo! Like every day I die, 'cause I eat cheese, and it make my stomach feel like I just got beat up. Every day I die on this. Bro, how do I just aggro all the attention? I don't even get that. Dang, they key blasting me. Oh, I'm thinking about Dragon Ball Z now. I can't wait till the new episode come out, 131. That's next week though. Oh! Faster. Oh, dang it. I died. I died at level 98 too. They wrong. They're so wrong. I died at level 98. I was almost level 100. I think I'm about to be at about level 100 inside a few seconds. I just started today. I love how easy it is to level up. Okay, how the heck did I die so quickly? I was like full health, then my health just went like, yay, I'm gonna die. Like, yeah, I don't care about this. Like, no, I'm trying to escape my fate. Eee! My sister just did a fake sneeze. Ain't no way to sneeze that loud. My sister just said, "She's here!" That was funny. Then she said, "I'm serious." Now she telling the dog, our little dog, Well, he's a little puppy. He's a Labrador. She said, "Leave me alone." Bro, he can't leave you alone. He's a dog. He likes to lick people. It's natural. He used to bite on my toes. I'm about to pause this real quick, and then I'll be back when I'm like level 100. Okay, y'all, look, these people are very strong, and I'm like, wow. You're in cam. You're in cam. Oh my god, these people such a high level. She's about 16,000. You're in cam. She's level like 16,000. That's crazy. How do you even get that high of a level? Damn! Someone edited that. Yeah, I'm figuring that. My sister just screamed at me for no reason. Yeah, my sister does that a lot. There's nothing really anything to do. IDK, why you still here? I'm about to go. I'm about to go. Please be quiet. Oh my god. That was such a high level. That's still crazy. Dang. Okay, y'all see that? That's like a person who can't stop playing. He eventually become level 16,000. Just murk everyone like it ain't jack. Oh dang, everything ain't loaded in yet. I might pause it for now. Once everything loaded, unpause. And we're back, and I tried to level up a little bit. So yeah, I'm level 198, almost level 200. I should be able to get to level 200 in like 1 minute at most. Actually, I think I can get there in about few seconds. If I just can find someone to fight. Jeez, fighting is scarce around here. Let me see what we have around here. I don't see anybody. There goes people. We only have up my sword. How the heck am I gonna fight without my sword? Oh dang, I ain't even getting no points. Dang it. I need someone to kill him quick. Cause we about to have to go in for a few seconds. Sorry y'all, so I'm about to have to end the video inside of 2 minutes. Like it's only got about 2 minutes. I'm about to have to pause it for now. I'll see y'all in like a few seconds. Okay, I'm trying to find somebody. But it's very scarce and I just found somebody. Yeah! Yeah! Finally! Like a boss. Okay, I got my sword out this time. I should be all good. Wait, where in the world did half my health just go? Half of my health just went missing. How? That was a bad. But we might have to be in the video. Somebody hurry up and pause. Yes, I did it. I'm level 200 now. I had to do a little bit off tape, but yeah, that happens. I'm level 200. Guess I have to make my next episode. On the next one. Yes! 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 Well, people, I hope you have a very good day. I was able to reach level 200. Sorry y'all weren't able to do it with me. Otherwise, the video would have ended. Whew. I had to do a little bit off video. Sorry y'all. But I hope y'all have a good day. I just had to say but 2 times. But see y'all later. And have a blessed day. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe.